Balthazar! Balthazar! What? There's someone coming to our pack. Who is it? I don't know. It looked like a weird, creepy guy. Ugh. Let me look. Show me where it went. I don't want to go out there. Ugh. Come on, don't be such a scaredy cat. I am an Arctic fox. I'm not scared. Let's see. There it is. What is that? I don't know, but I'm going. Hey, what's your name? Get out of our pack. Oh, God. I need backup. Back off. Whoa, what is that guy? I don't know. Uh-oh. I'll handle this. Hello! I got it! Oh. Uh-oh. 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 It's gone. I think I heard it. Ow! I think it went through my fur and through my skin. Wow. Looks like he's a druid female. What is he? Why is he here anyway? I don't know. I just went out for a walk and then I saw him with food and I'm like, can I have some? And then he starts growling and yelling and then I ran away and then it follows me. Let's wake him up. What? No way, Jose! I'm not getting my claws on him. Me either. I don't want to get hurt again. I don't want to have a hunchback. Yeah, me too. Fine. I'll wake him up. Hey, come on. Wake up. Hello? You. Oh, you can talk. Didn't know you can. What? You think I couldn't? Every wolf can talk. But not every. What? Why are you here? You little rascal here was going to steal my food. I wasn't. I was asking if I can have some. Okay. Hands off. So, and why are you here? I was following her to scare off. And I didn't want her here. And I don't want her here near me or anywhere. And plus, I'm just looking for a pack. Stay right there. He's looking for a pack. Weird. Well, he is a druid female. Druid male. Yeah. Well, we gotta take him in. It's only 3. We only have 3. Me, you, and you. So let's take him in. Fine. I'll teach him. You sure? Because you still have a hunchback from him. I can deal with it. Okay. You're in the pack. What? I'm not getting in this pack with that little rascal. My name is not Rascal. My name's Peace. Are you sure? We're the only wolves in Yosemite. Okay, good. Training starts now. Who do I train with? Salvador? You? He's such... But I can't deal with him. You can. He's a great trainer. He's only a trainer. No. Only Peace is a trainer. And you're about to be a trainer. I've been training for years, days, and months. Okay. Now let's see your fighting. I'm not getting hunchbacked again. Do it. You're the one that said you're going to train him. Fine. 3, 2. I didn't say 1. Gotcha. Please don't. Please don't. You don't hunchback yet. What? Fine. And the winner is, what's your name? Samuel. Samuel. Okay. Okay, bye guys. Stay